What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin and we are in front of the Cybertruck studios. Today I want to share with you all a couple more accessories from BestEVMods to help you get organized inside your Cybertruck.
Abby's not really an organized person.
Don't worry, she doesn't watch my videos, so she ain't gonna get mad. Anyway, we got some stuff to check out. So yeah, I reached out to BestEVMod and I'm like, hey man, can you help me have more storage inside the Cybertruck? Because things are just all over the place. So what they sent me are a couple of things. Well, this one isn't really for organization, but this actually will fit around the LCD if you want to just protect the backside and the corners, the edges of your LCD screen. This one is pretty neat, but here's the thing: when you put it in, you go from underneath. It's really tight in there. Yeah, so basically you slide this thing under and over. It's on there fairly tight. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using this because I want to use the storage, the behind the screen storage. But yeah, so it's on tight there. I'm not gonna do the demo of installing it, but that's how you install it. You put this around and it pretty much protects the edges. So if you're not gonna use the storage that sits right here, then this is a really nice accessory if you want to just protect the edges of your screen. The designs look pretty cool because there's like a little pattern right here and there's a pattern back here as well. Now this is the one I'm really excited for. This is some additional storage that sits behind your LCD screen and sit on top of your dash. Now it does come with these flooring. I don't know what you call these, but basically you put it on the flooring of this organizer. Is that what it's called? I don't know what these are called, but it prevents it. It's like anti-slip, so things don't slide around. Things that you could put on here are like cell phones, tissue boxes, you know, stuff like that. Now keep in mind, this is gonna be right underneath your windshield. You may not want to put stuff that are sensitive to heat, so maybe cell phones are not a good idea there. Unless during the winter time, it should be okay, but in the summer you don't want to put cell phones in here. It does come with like little strips of, is this like really thin foam? So you could use this. On the other side is adhesive, and you could use this to put around here if you want, so that it protects the screen itself. We're gonna just leave it without it for now, just to see. So the way you install it is you just set it behind, and on the edges you want to stretch it out a little bit so it fits right here. So that's pretty much it. That is why if you want to use this, you can't really use this because it makes the screen like wider, so it ain't gonna fit. So you unfortunately can't use both. You have to choose one or the other. I'd rather use this. Fits really nice. There it is with the tissue box. Now it is kind of a bit tall, so I don't know if it'll obstruct your view. I guess in long road trips and highways it may not be as bad, and it doesn't really slide around. See, I'm like trying to slide it and it's gripping onto that flooring, that bottom piece. Now this size tissue box is not really gonna fit. It's too wide. So just wanted to show you that. So I guess it's gonna stay down here for now. But you could put a bunch of stuff here if you want. Some candy, glasses, just stuff that is not sensitive to like heat during the summer. This storage for under the LCD screen. pretty easy to install. It's just a magnet. Fits pretty nice. I'm shaking it to see if there's gonna be any vibrations while the truck is moving, and it's pretty sturdy in there. It just goes into the the neck of the LCD. Is that what it's called? Or the mount of the LCD? See that top bar that runs across? That's where it goes. Here's the dilemma if you have a phone mount and you want to use not only the top part and the bottom part. Your suction cups aren't really going to have a place. I guess you could put it like right here if you want. That might work, but here's what I could tell you. You can now charge your phone, because I like charging my phone with a cable and not these wireless chargers, but you can set your phone here now and charge your phone right there. See, there's the cable. Boom. And you could put other things in here too. So I really like this. My Model Y has something similar too. It just gives you additional space and storage. We are driving in a Cybertruck. My microphone is actually clipped onto the top of the storage organizer. And you're probably gonna hear my, or maybe not, the stinking tissue box sliding around. But yeah, I put the microphone on the where the organizer is, just so that you can hear whether you can hear it or not, any vibrations or rattling. And I don't hear anything. Hopefully it doesn't sound like I'm yelling, because the microphone is like right here. So hopefully you could hear me okay with the AC and everything going. But we are just driving around, trying to see if there's any vibration noises or any rattles or anything like that. And so far so good. Like nothing out of the ordinary. So it's really good. I like it. Adds more storage and hopefully better organization. L-track hooks, these cleats, and it comes with the tool to tighten them up. But basically they go on the L-track system, the rail, and it just gives you more. I believe these come in a 4-pack, so I got 2 of them, so I have a total of 8. So basically how these work is there's a round circle right here. You line them up with the circle here, slide it to either left or right. Oops, let me loosen it up a little bit. And then you tighten them up. So it's just a mounting point for your L-track system. It's made out of steel, so it looks like, yeah, it looks pretty good right there. Now this full bed cargo, or all bed cargo, is really nice because you can clip to the bottom of this and pretty much have a cargo net at the bottom of your bed of the Cybertruck, or vault of the Cybertruck, so you could keep things in place. And so you would hook these to the bottom on both sides, and there's another anchor point all the way down there if you ever want to get things down. Let me pull this out. There you go. And then 2 more mounting points there. Now, my Cybertruck is not the Foundation series, so it doesn't come with the floor mounts. But I could get them extra, so you could also mount these on the floor of the truck. This liner actually have cutouts, so you can cut them out and access the mounting points on the floor of the bed. That's it for this video. I do have the Amazon affiliate links in the video description if you guys are interested in getting yourself some of those storage organizers. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.